What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. If you've ever struggled with finding the power outlet fuse in your Tacoma, you're in the right place. So if you are having problems with the power outlet on the 2001 to 2022 Tacoma, you should watch this video before taking it to a repair shop. So just follow me along. In this section, I'll point out the location of the fuse and the relay for the operation of your power outlets or the cigarette lighter in the 2001 to 2004 Toyota Tacoma. You can find the fuse in the engine compartment fuse box. So let me show you the fuse location. The power outlet fuse is going to be a 15 amp fuse in blue color. If you want to remove it really easily, you can use some needle nose pliers or even some nail clippers. There is also a relay for the power outlet as well. This relay gets energized only when the key is in the on position. So make sure you check that out. In 2005 to 2015 Tacoma, the power outlet fuse is located on the driver's side of the instrument panel, behind the storage compartment, and in the engine compartment fuse box. So where you're gonna want to look is in this little compartment on the left steering, and you've got to squeeze it kind of, and pull it outward. So here's the fuse. The cigarette lighter power outlet fuse is going to be the blue 15 amp fuse right up in here, so be sure to check that out. Inspect the fuses visually to identify any blown ones. A blown fuse will have a broken wire visible inside its translucent housing. Now, if you look up in the hood, you'll find the main fuse for the inverter. If you're experiencing issues with your power inverter, it's advisable to check this fuse first. So here is it. The main fuse for the inverter is a 100 amp, and it's labeled AC SKD for the 2005 to 2012 model, or INV for the 2013 to 2015 model. There is also a power inverter relay in the little box behind the main fuse box, and it's labeled AC SKT. In the 2016 to 2022 Tacoma, you'll have some fuses used for the various power outlets. All of the fuses you want to check are located in the fuse box under the front hood and in the left of the driver's side floorboard. So let me show you the instrument panel fuse box first. The power outlet fuse number 1 is responsible for the cigarette lighter or front power socket. There is also another 15 amp fuse, but in some models, it is a 7.5 amp in brown color fuse, and I think it's responsible for the USB port. Once you've identified the culprit, replace the fuse with the new one of the same amperage rating. Next, I'll show you the inverter fuse located in the engine compartment fuse box. So here is the fuse that you need to check. If you want to find the 110 volt bed outlet fuse, you can check this fuse. It's a 80 amp cartridge fuse, and I think it's responsible for the power inverter port. There is also a relay for the power inverter in the little box behind the main fuse box. Try to check with a multimeter how much power you have along the entire circuit that goes up to the inverter. And if it is less than necessary, look for the reason why. So that's the end of me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tutorials. See you next time, and happy driving!